Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. Exercise 6.3, question number 6. In figure, the side QR of triangle PQR is produced to a point S. If the bisectors of angle PQR and angle PRS meet at a point T, then prove that angle QTR equal to half angle QPR. So here is given the figure. You can see triangle PQR. This side QR is produced, means extended to the point S. The side QR of triangle PQR is produced to point S. Then saying about bisectors. In the previous class we have discussed what is bisector. Bisector dividing the angle into two equal parts. So here are two bisectors. This QT is a bisector of this angle Q. So here you can see two parts. This part is angle PQT. Other part is angle RQT. QT is the bisector. So these two parts are equal. Same way this RT is also a bisector of this angle R. The full name is angle PRS. So here also you can see two parts. What is the name of the first part? The first part is PRT. Second part is TRS. These two parts are also equal. So here one bisector. So these two angles are equal. Here also one more bisector. Here also these two angles are equal. We need to prove angle QTR equal to half angle QPR. So let us discuss the proof. You consider the triangle TQR. You can see triangle TQR here and consider this angle TRS. We know TRS is an exterior angle, and by exterior angle property we can say exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angle. This angle Q and angle T are interior opposite angles. R is exterior angle. So we can say this exterior angle equal to sum of these two interior opposite angles. We can write it. While writing, be careful. Write the full name of the angles. In triangle TQR, angle TRS equal to angle TQR plus angle QTR. TRS means this exterior angle R. TQR is angle Q. It is interior angle. QTR is angle T. It is also interior angle. So this we have written by using exterior angle property. I just changed the sides. We get angle TQR plus angle QTR equal to angle TRS. Just interchanged the left side and right side. Now I am going to take this angle TQR also to right side. So angle QTR is remaining here. Angle QTR equal to angle TRS minus angle TQR. Keep this as equation number 1. Now you see the figure again. We can see triangle PQR here. Here also one exterior angle. It is angle PRS. We know exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So this angle PRS equal to angle Q plus angle P. So let us write in triangle PQR, angle PRS equal to angle QPR plus angle PQR. PRS is this exterior angle. QPR is this interior angle P. PQR is this interior angle Q. So by using exterior angle property we can write angle PRS equal to angle QPR plus angle PQR. Let us keep this equation as equation number 2. Now you see the figure. It is given in the question this QT is the bisector of angle PQR. That means the angle PQR is divided into two equal parts. Which are the two equal parts? First angle is angle PQT. Second angle is angle TQR. So we can write angle PQR equal to angle PQT plus angle TQR. Now this angle PQT and angle TQR both are equal. So this angle PQT also I am going to replace by angle TQR. So we can write angle PQR equal to angle TQR plus angle TQR. I just replaced this PQT by TQR because they are equal. You can see from the figure. PQT is this angle, TQR is this portion. These two portions are equal. So we can replace it. So we get angle PQR equal to 2 angle TQR. You see the figure again. Here you can see angle PRS. Here also one bisector RT. RT is the bisector. So these two parts are also equal. Angle PRS is divided into two equal parts. So we can write angle PRS equal to angle PRT plus angle TRS. Angle PRS equal to angle PRT plus angle TRS. Like the same way, this angle PRT we are going to replace by angle TRS. So we get angle PRS equal to angle TRS plus angle TRS. That is angle PRS equal to 2 angle TRS. So here we got one equation, angle PQR equal to 2 angle TQR. Here we got one equation, angle PRS equal to 2 angle TRS. So that two I wrote it together here. We have angle PQR equal to 2 angle TQR and angle PRS equal to 2 angle TRS. Now you consider our second equation. What is our second equation? Angle PRS equal to angle QPR plus angle PQR. I have written it here. Here you can see angle PRS. This angle PRS I am going to replace by this 2 angle TRS, because we know angle PRS equal to 2 angle TRS. Same way, here you can see angle PQR. This angle PQR I am going to replace by 2 angle TQR, because angle PQR equal to 2 angle TQR. So let us replace both. So we get 2 angle TRS equal to angle QPR plus 2 angle TQR. Now let us take this 2 angle TQR also to left side. So we get 2 angle TRS minus 2 angle TQR equal to angle QPR. We just took this 2 angle TQR also to left side. Now you can see 2 is common for these both angles. We can take 2 outside. So we get 2 into angle TRS minus angle TQR equal to angle QPR. From these 2 angles we have taken 2 outside. Then remaining here angle TRS minus here remaining angle TQR equal to angle QPR. Now you see the equation number 1. What is in the right side of equation number 1? It is angle TRS minus angle TQR. That is same what is in the bracket. Angle TRS minus angle TQR. So this angle TRS minus angle TQR we can replace by QTR because they are equal. So we get 2 angle QTR equal to angle QPR. This we have written from equation number 1. Now we can take this 2 to right side. Here it is multiplying. If we are taking to right side, we have to divide it or it will become 1 by 2. So we get angle QTR equal to half angle QPR. This into 2 is taken to right side, it became divided by 2. So we wrote it 1 by 2. That was our question. Prove that angle QTR equal to half angle QPR. This is a question to prove. You have to write again and again to study. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.